Welcome to Impact AI Studio. In the studio, which lives here on the right-hand side of your screen, you could switch between one of three modes. The first mode is research mode. Research mode is where you are researching the current contact. So you're going to ask a question. We have some examples here underneath the light bulb icon. These are just some preset ones. So I'm just going to ask, give me a brief summary. Now AI takes the information that's on the screen, gives you a brief summary, and also gives you a few next action steps to do, like creating a phone call. So if I click on that action link, you'll see that I'm scheduling an activity for Chris Hoffman. Next mode is design mode. What design mode is, it's unlimited. It's whatever your imagination is. You can say something simple like, send a professional email, the action I want to take. I'm going to hit the enter key, and again, AI will think about it. And what AI does is it gives you back a button. This button can easily be brought right onto the screen. Hold the mouse down, drag and drop. You now have a button that sends an email. There it is. Now you can, of course, adjust the email, adjust the content, or whatever. But you can do almost anything inside of here. Open up a map, navigate to a website, send a funny email, give me driving directions, call a phone number. Using whatever view IP you have installed. Call the phone number. I'm going to hit the enter key. There it is, call phone. Again, it's a button. I'm going to drag it onto the screen. We do have a phone number on this contact, so I'm going to call. Click on that button. Your call has been forwarded to the voicemail for Impact Act. The last mode is report mode. It's going to report on your ACT database. So we're not sending the database up to AI. We're just asking AI to look down into the database without passing that information up. And again, I have some examples here. But you could just easily type in, I want, all the contacts created this year. Typing in naturally all the contacts created here. I'm going to hit the enter key. AI now thinks about what you want to do, sends back a prompt for AI Studio to run. So there's all the contacts created this year, and it's a report. We could save it. We could run it at a later time. We could create a lookup from the report. Let's do something a little bit more in detail. Like, I could say, give me all the contacts that have opportunities greater than $12,000. Very simple. And there it is. I have 10 contacts in my database. This is the ACT demo database. And if I want to go and run it, I can run it from here. I can save it and run it later. And we do have a report editor. That is of the three modes. Research mode researches the current contact you're looking at. Design mode creates actionable buttons that'll do anything that you want it to. And the report mode reports on your data that's in your local database. Okay, thank you for watching.